Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure so go support the EP. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, want to find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel of Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm in room. I don't know. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, despite the statements from the Prime Minister, viewers and subscribers, the Transparency International TI, the corruption watchdog, viewers and subscribers, has registered the island with a score of 44 out of 100, viewers and subscribers, despite the Prime Minister trying to blame our problems on the dancehall genre. Now, I'm going to also point out again, was not dancehall the same music, or was not the same dancehall artists who are prominent? No. The same dancehall artists sought after to do these political doublets. No, are the same dancehall music and mash up the country. Well, by a release from the Corruption Perception Index, the CPI, this ranks Jamaica at 69. Why for that number? Jamaica as a country like Jamaica reaching that number, but that's a reason for another topic. Out of 180 countries that were assessed in 2020, and represents the marginal improvement for Jamaica, which scored 43 out of 100 in 2019. Now, viewers and subscribers, based on the TI's ranking, a score of 0 means a country is perceived to be very corrupt. So we are not there yet, but it's not a sigh of relief. All it is showing is that we are going forward, are taking 1 step forward and 10 steps behind. Now, with a judicial system that favors the ruling class and their endeavors as opposed to justice for all, will of course result in a corrupt state, viewers and subscribers. When you can have individuals being convicted based on tampered with and circumstantial evidence to prove gut feeling of the security forces and the prosecution at the prosecution's office. Viewers and subscribers, it is the prosecutor's job to prosecute, not persecute, as in Vybz Kartel's case. Now, viewers and subscribers, head of local corruption, the National Integrity Action, the NIA, Professor Trevor Monroe, has lamented that Jamaica continues to perform poorly on the CPI index, viewers and subscribers. And he said that the Andrew Holness-led administration, who resumed chairmanship of 4 key parliamentary committees following its landslide win in the last September's general election, influenced the country's CPI ranking. He's saying blatantly that the move by the ruling party currently to take control, viewers and subscribers, of key committees after their win shows how this government is going to work. And I will say this, maybe it is not very different from the other government. It is just another ruling party. As a teacher said, maybe we should put down the t-shirts that are red and green and buy some that are beige, because none of these parties have the people and their best wishes at mind. That's how we are point out, and the judicial system reflects that, because majority of the people on a regular basis who find themselves in situation with the law are always or people or iglas or taxi drivers, people who keep the society going forward. The entrepreneurs are those who help to generate the GDP that is used to keep the country going forward. the taxi drivers, the bus drivers. These are the people who control transportation. We all know how unreliable our local government run transport system. We know that again. We don't see we stand up hours and wait for a government bus. And who you gonna see? You gonna see taxi, you gonna see coaster. Ensuring that the working force is not late for work, but they are the people pressured by the system. Some would say it's because their line of work is unregulated. That is wrong. These are people who have registrations, documentations to do their specific jobs. But sometimes it's place we have to load, who load a vehicle, just different technicalities. And them face a whole heap of pressure from the system. So while the system continues to put the blame on outside forces without actually looking at the system for what the system is a reason why Vybz Kartel was so harshly treated. It's because their plan all along for decades now has been to blame the music, and some simple-minded individuals have run with that concept, saying that artists, especially with a situation like Critical Case now, after singing their songs, outside of their role as an entertainer, they are living the same lifestyles. You are wrong. Think about this. For the better part, yes, actors play superheroes, and then when we see them back there, those regular people going to restaurants with supermodels, and we realize that yes, they are just human beings, and the movie is just a movie. For entertainers who do music, because the music is heard and stored in memory, because repetition is the father of learning. After you listen that song and stream that song for hours and hours at a time, there's a certain impression in your mind of this individual. But you only watch the movie around once. But you listen to the song over 10 times since today. And tomorrow you will listen it 10 times again. Father of learning is repetition. Hearing these songs over and over, you start to build an image of this individual in your mind. So when certain issues take place, you are quick to say yes, then it is in connection with the music, and then use that situation to judge everybody else using one person's fat to fry somebody else, and that's not right. That is not right. So people are going to say, yeah, well, look what I'm with the artist there. But is it every artist? Why isn't the entire dancehall industry behind the bars then? It is not so. And the issues of our country are reflected through the music, but not caused by. What the international authorities are saying is causing most of our problems locally is corruption at the highest level and right to the streets. There's corruption at the street level, people to people, security forces to individuals to civilians, and at the highest level, heads of state, people who help to pass legislation are also corrupt as well. What do you expect for them? What do you expect for them? We never have a judicial system where you can't get justice outside. What do you expect for them? It's God blessing why we even move. Alright, well, let me say, it's a close number, 43 to 44. But work is being done by some individuals, but that work is being undermined. And it's about to collapse by the work being done with by the heads of state and the ruling class, the governing force, the quote-unquote private sector, the people who put people into position. Because some people don't know that thing. Between the private sector votes and the security forces vote and government workers vote, really and truly election is won. But how corrupt would it be to have a vote of who will run the country without having the people participate? Hence why you have this big general election. But think about it. Think about it. Decisions have already been made prior to the general. But that's a reason for another time. That's a reason for another time. Talk to me in the comment section. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, I'm reminding them now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course you like the point of view, well I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of our fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. You know the something go. You know what I mean? Comment section up 24/7, but first and foremost the share icon is in close proximity to the like icon. Drop a like. You know, drop the like, them share the like, share the video, drop the like. The people know say we're there, a whole reason. Tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section up with 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue reason via the comment section. You know the something go. Yeah man, now move settings fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is of course for to live, love and prosper until reason again.